What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie coming at you live. Today I'm going to give you a rundown of what's going on in my spring garden. I've got some sweet potatoes, tomatoes, some summer squash, I got lettuce, I got some beets, I got Brussels sprouts, greens, and carrots, and a few other things. So I'm just going to do a little run through of my garden right now. So I got some tomato seedlings starting here, trying to grow some celery from an end I cut off from the grocery store. We got some sweet potato sprouts over here still going. I might plant some more of those here later on. Then we're going to go out to the backyard. And we got a ghost pepper plant, carrots, lettuce, and there's my sweet potatoes right there. They're doing great. And we got some beets, and we got green bell peppers, and we got some garlic, and then we got some greens and some Brussels sprouts over there. And over here in my other bed, I've got a ton of squash going on. Summer squash. Then I got some cucumber plants. A tomato plant that I planted from my old tomato plant from last year. It actually was successful. A transplant. And then some more tomato plants back yonder. That's it. If you like my material, hit subscribe and then go to the next video. Peace out.